Because providing learning and development opportunities are my thing, and following on from the earlier film, I just wanted to suggest some resources and plant some ideas for activities and for expanding language. Starting with what the children are experiencing, kit out your imaginative or home corner area. Provide varieties and empty bottles for children to act out what is currently happening in their lives. New words. Sun visor in the car and on someone's head. Sun blind, sunshade, sundial. What others can you think of? Now, moving on to what they are experiencing in your setting during the heat. Ice cube trays can be picked up quite cheaply, and seed discussions around shape. Perhaps colour too if you make some up with food colouring. This can be extended maybe by using stories or factual books to explore the wider world. Introduce other language. Maybe someone remembers the snow. And the frozen water, perhaps make up some picture snap cards and other props to support discussions around water. It is a huge subject to explore, with lots of words to introduce. How could you do that? We're off now to your charity shops and car boot sales, or perhaps cadge from your families. Who has spare ice cream scoop? I know I have more than one, and use just the favourite one. Begin a collection. Let's look at them. These are metal and mechanical. Now I have added scoops that are not mechanical, and other varieties. Let's count them. There are 9. We take it for granted they are all ice cream scoops, but the children need to experience them to learn that they look different, but they have the same purpose. They can be split into sets, or they can be split this way. And although arranged in different ways, there are still 9. Babies would love to mouth these, and toddlers might like them in a feely bag or heuristic play bag. You could also add them to your dough, wet sand, or your mud kitchen opportunities. Have you got any more ideas? Write them below. Bye for now.